Well, here we are at Windsor. We've come to check out the flooding, etc, etc. Plus, they've got some beautiful cafes here. It's one of the oldest towns in New South Wales. As I pan around, they're doing a bit of filming. Got the SES all parked up, cameras galore. Rent a crowd by the look of it as well. And over in the distance there, the Macquarie Arms is allegedly the oldest pub in Australia.
We'll have to check it out for...
We will. I think we've actually been in there once.
That's only to use the bathroom.
That was correct, yes.
But we'll have to stop there and have a drink.
Yes.
Support the local.
Yes, we will. Anyway, we'll take a walk over the Hawkesbury River, and we'll use the bridge, of course. So, I'll catch you in a few minutes. Well, actually, no, I'll stay on and you can follow us on this walk.
And it's quite warm, isn't it?
It's very warm, actually, on this very whitish concrete. The glare is coming right back up at us.
Oh, look, the lampposts are...
Oh, yeah, submerged. Well, yes, yeah. Well, that was a road then, wasn't it? Obviously, so, or a walk. Oh, it's a walkway. Yeah, there's the steps down there.
No, it's a road.
Oh yeah, of course, it was a road, yeah.
Oh, I'm glad we came this way then, because we wouldn't be able to get there.
Yeah, no, we'd have been... Well, we didn't know that, but yeah, it would have been a bit good. Oh yeah, there is a road that goes all the way bottom of those houses there, yeah. I'm just going to walk out towards the middle a bit more, love. I'll just pan round. The DJI does a good job of, well, usually, panning round slowly. Aye aye. Is that a drift? Or is it just stationary? Is it just moving around there? Oh no, it is actually stationary. I thought that pontoon thing there was moving. It is just moving. It is moving, but only on its anchor as such. Oh, I wondered what I thought, oh, it's going to crash into the bridge. But hey, yeah, all's good. But our original plan was to go to the island over there, turn left, and there's some parkland over there, and there's a cafe and restaurant. We were going to go there and then have a wander along the flooded river, but the road's closed off. When you get to that island up there, you see in the distance. Also, we usually go right along there and go up to Colin, where the Colin Bra Tree is. Also some nice riverside restaurants, but we can't go along that road. We did go further on to go to Freeman's Reach, but we couldn't get across the causeway. That's flooded out as well. So reminds me of living in Worcester.
Is it really?
Yeah, Worcester Bridge and the fields over there where my school used to have their sports fields and what have you, because there was no room where the actual school was. So yeah, it used to flood like this, and yeah, of course Worcester's a really old city, much older than this one, of course, but yeah, everything used to flood. Oh, there's more cobwebs in the air there, look, see another one there?
Yeah.
I've got one in my hair actually still. No, there we are. So
That's beautiful.
this is all looking, yeah, of course it'll all go down and things will return to normal. But this is just after, what, we had 48 hours of rain, didn't we?
It is.
Yeah, they reckon in 24 hours we had 100 millimetres of rain in 24 hours in one stretch. It did not stop raining for 24 hours, did it, look?
No, it was fast.
Yeah. And this is the results of that, and one of the local dams is overflowed as well. So it all adds to all this flooding. I forgot the name of the dam that's overflowed now, but it's a local one. Oh yeah, yeah it is. I can see little whirlpools and eddies in the water.
There's a lot of debris around there.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's loads of debris. Oh yeah, crikey, yeah. Well, it's not the time for boating, that's for sure. Oh, I can see it all built up on one of the bridge piers up there. I'll just try and get the camera to swivel round
Let's
to
have
it.
a walk up there.
Yeah, okay, will do. I wonder if you lived at Freeman's Reach, how you'd get there, because you've got to get across the river the other end to come into it, one would think. But in Australia, especially, they have a lot of what they call causeways, which aren't bridges. And in some places, it's just a couple of big pipes lay in the riverbed or creek bed, and then they concrete over the top and put a road. And of course, it's not high enough when it floods. But yeah, so at some point they're going to have to look at changing how they do things and make these causeways, especially with the amount of people that live here now, make these causeways into proper bridges. They had to do it up at Coomera, where I used to live, up on the Gold Coast, and that used to flood regularly. There's what, sorry? Where?
Down there, look, on that big log.
No, I'm zoomed in as far as I can get.
Going under now.
Oh right, I missed him. The camera might have got him, and I couldn't see him, but.
Oh, look, he's moving that twig now.
Oh, I can see him. I can see his head. Yeah, he's right there. He's very well camouflaged. Yeah, I can see him.
Oh, look, there's one over there, look.
Hold on, I'm just. The camera isn't.
That's it right there.
Hold on. It wasn't going down far enough. I wasn't getting the picture I wanted. I should have noticed that, but yeah, the lizard's down there somewhere. He's on. You got this twig branch thing coming here, and he's just about there. I can't. Oh, there's more of them. There's another little one going there on the rock, on the wood there. Then there's another one there, and then there's another one moving there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 lizards.
Oh, I see the one.
Yeah, there's one right there. Look, he's in amongst all the rockery, and then there's a small one with his head just popping out. Not rockery, all the debris, flood debris. But I missed half of it because I'd noticed that the gimbal wasn't pointing downwards. It was trying to stay level, which is its job. That was a Jeff error.
So they must have got.
Well, I don't know whether they can swim or not. I would have thought not, because they haven't got webbed feet or anything. I don't think. I mean, I'm no lizard reptile expert.
Like skink, is it?
It's like big skinks. But it's just gathering. It's just so much coming downstream that this is just going to get bigger and bigger. It's just keeps on coming. So the little island's going to get bigger. And I should imagine there's bugs in there and stuff they can eat, so yeah, that big one's on the he's on that long log going that way. Look, I'll come round this other side. He's on that. You got one that's just shaking about now. He's underneath that with the piece of wood going that way. Yeah, yeah. You can see the big one just running across there.
There must have been a family of them.
Well, yeah, they're all together, aren't they? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I've bored everybody to death with me lizards now. sitting in the house on a Sunday afternoon, isn't it? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he looks totally different. I can see him now. I'm at maximum zoom for the DJI, the Pocket. It only does ×2, so that's as close as I can get in. Oh, there's one underneath the log as well. Or is that the? Yeah, there's one underneath the log. The big thick log going that way. So you got one there. Oh, there's another one of those ones on that stick there. Look. He's like that one there. This one on the white stick here, just coming out. He's got the same shaped head. Look. You can see straight down. There's a bit of a stick there. He looks like. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, and right, yeah, it is. It's only when you start looking.
You see things moving. Look,
Yeah. I can see him. Yeah, it's like, and another small one over there. There's loads of them. Okay, that's enough of the lizards for now. Right, we've walked back over the bridge and there's some filming going on. I think I mentioned that earlier. We got the SES there and film cameras, and we also got a bit of a rent-a-mob going on over there. I don't know what TV channel it is, but usually you can see their vans around and stuff, but I can't see any vans. It's 9 News and ABC, Australian Broadcasting Corporation, for those that don't know, back in the UK. Don't know who the guy is. It's just full of old buildings, this place. As I say, this is the Macquarie Hotel. Allegedly, as I said previously, on the sign, it is the oldest pub in Australia. This is allegedly, again, I'll try and find some information signs, one of the oldest towns in New South Wales, if not Australia. You can see in the distance the old buildings there. I'll do a bit more filming. In the point in the three-wheel thing there, it's motorbike, but the only trouble is you get stuck in the same traffic as a car. But very nice. Like the Kawasaki 900 now, that'd be my choice amongst this lot. Looks beautiful. I love the orange and black. Oh, it's orange and brown like my KH500. Right, we're going to find somewhere to have something to eat. I am starving. I've nothing to eat since last night. There she is. Come on, Bab. I think I'm fading, you're fading. We need something to eat and drink. Yeah, it has gone very, very hot and it's very humid because of all the rain, so TTFN. I hope he spotted me. I'll film him just in case he gets me.
Stop. Wait for the cocoa biscuit.
So this is Windsor High Street as such. It's all cafes and market day on. Should we just find somewhere to have? I'm really thirsty, and also